What up? It's your boy again, Tony Pony, and I'm gonna give you a little bit update on the situation on the bird that's been harassing my sleep. I took extreme measures. My father told me it was attacking its own shadow in the mirror, and that's why he kept doing it, and it makes a lot of sense. So he said you should hang CDs in front of your window, and then it will see that, and you will stay away. Well, he did that for a half a day. Next day was the Saturday. He woke me up again, 7:30 in the morning. That's way too fucking early for me, man. So he said, "Well, yeah, okay, maybe you should hang like these slingers from the Christmas tree, like these fuzzy silver things." So I went to the store and tried to buy them, but they went out of style. They said me so. So I bought something else. Let me show you. Oh, look at that, man. Christmas has come early. Yeah. That's some extreme shit, man. And same shit in this window. Oh, I'm not gonna open that up because there's no use. And for the first time in 10 days, I was able to sleep without the bird banging on my window. So it's pretty cool. Well, obviously, we cannot hang this whole year round because it's gonna get a little bit expensive in electricity. But the thing that I will do is maybe I will hang one of those fruit tree nets. I've seen people have that. So, well, we will see. We will see what after. uh, after the winter, maybe that bird won't be here anymore. I don't know. We will see. Okay. Bye bye.